I tell you, say I love you. As long as you give me my passion. Baby,
Sanibonani, welcome back to another video. My name is Andile Banza and thank you so much for clicking onto this video because today I'll be showing you how to do this hairstyle. Please stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do me the honor of subscribing down below. Press the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, who has been interacting with me. I appreciate it so much. See you on the next clip. Bye.
To be beautiful, she goes unnoticed, she knows no limits, she craves attention, she praises an image she prays to be sculpted by the sculptor. Oh, she don't see the light that